What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. The congregation is back, the Big Three, as I like to call it. No? Self-proclaimed Big Three. And I think the question na nasisimulan ko is, are the Magnolia Hotshots championship contenders now that William Navarro is with them while Calvin Abueva has been shipped out and Jeric Balanza to Northport. So, gentlemen, I think Mario, ikaw, sa tagal mo nang wala sa podcast na to, let's open this dialogue with you first.
Kasi ako sisimulan ko, hindi tayo big three kasi, big four. Yung isa kasi,
Oo,
magpapakasal.
Oo, yung isa nasa prenup, busy
So,
pa. Oo, big three muna. The three muna,
yeah,
the
yun
trio.
muna,
The three
habang
musketeers muna.
nagpapakasal.
Three horsemen
Ah.
muna. Three
The three
horsemen.
horsemen.
For me,
Actually,
even before Will was there,
mm,
during the Philippine Cup Finals, contender dapat na yun eh. Considering how well they've played. But now that you've replaced yung very eager, very aggressive, very wild Calvin Abueva with William Navarro, who is quite calm, more, I'd argue, more skilled um, shooting and defensively. And admittedly, Calvin has lost his step. Not only are you right now finals contenders, but you're quite set up for the future for the next 10,
five,
10
ten
years,
years
maybe
minimum.
5 to 10
Five, ten
years.
years.
You
Oo,
have,
that's your core.
Jerome, you have Zave, you have William, you can still say you have Arik, Aris Dionisio.
Rome De La Rosa.
I mean, yeah, sure.
I
Aris
mean, no,
Dionisio.
pwede si Rome. Rome's good.
Meron,
Like,
meron ka
Rome's a
pang
great
James
cog.
Laput. My
Oh,
goodness.
superstar.
Meron ka pang idol ko din sa. So yeah, for me right now, Magnolia is a championship contender. But
Mm-mm.
I do still think they're kulang that piece and they're kulang a real center who can defend Junmar Fajardo kasi everybody knows Philippine Cup runs through Junmar Fajardo. That's how it's always been. So like Meralco was able to do it, yes, sure. But that's because they had four bigs ready for Junmar. Right? They had Raymond, they had
Bates.
Brandon, had Jose even got minutes. They had Kyle Pascual given minutes.
Ano talaga nila, they made the most out of their big men
Yun.
during that
Right now,
finals.
if you're Magnolia, you're finals contender, but I still give it to SMB merely because Rafi Rivas, I'm sorry, brother, but you're like 45, 50. I don't even know how old you are anymore. But then like, brother, you're not stopping Junmar and William Navarro isn't big enough to stop Junmar. You have James Laput, but you have to give him the minutes. But as of right now, just based on that construction, finals contender, pero hindi sila finals winner.
Ooh, because they have to go through SMB first. Try to beat
You have to
them
go
in a
through
seven
SMB.
game
Everybody has
series.
to go
Only
through
then na
SMB.
mag-iiba yung mind mo. Pero they
Yeah.
have the pieces, especially dito sa Philippine Cup. Hindi ka masusurprise
Yeah.
if
Sa
they
Philippine
make
Cup
it to
lang
the
ah.
final. Oh yeah, we're talking about Philippine Cup mo muna.
Oo.
Kasi the import changes everything eh.
Oo.
Iba ang may import, bro.
Mm. Basta, for
Graham.
me, one
Ay, yeah.
more big for Magnolia na legit na big ha. Hindi yung pambansang whatever lang dyan. Yung literal na big na kaya maglaro, they should be fine.
Okay. Heading into the conference, parang after Game 7, Nico, di ba, we and Manong were talking. I was driving na early
Driving
prediction,
to work.
Hinebra the favorite to win or at least to make the finals next conference, di ba? And then we have SMB and then TNT. And I did not mention Magnolia kasi I thought kulang sila eh. But uh right
Oh.
now I think they're in that inner circle with Ginebra and San Miguel, and
Look at
it's
you.
like
Look at you,
yeah,
Graham.
it's
Wow.
and
Objective
it's
fan.
oh yeah, I'm telling you, bro. I'm not praying that they get there, but all I'm saying is they are legitimate candidates for uh winning the Philippine Cup. The
Mm.
thing is, one of the reasons is TNT has no Castro and then Sinambatak
Wala pang
is kind of
BGR din.
out. 'Di ba? Wala pa rin si BGR. The combo of Lucero and Navarro in the wings is for me that has so much potential. The thing about Magnolia, give me 2 minutes to explain this, is when they do these trades, they're not they're not a punch to your gut. Na parang they're not gonna make you throw up. What they do is, for example, nakita sila nung kapitbahay nila na may puno ng mangga na hinog na. So, pipitas sila. But in return, bibigyan ka nila nung kare-kare na bagong luto na may kasama pang bagoong. 'Di
na
ba?
medyo
Kasi
ano, pero yung bagoong medyo ano na, may
no,
maamoy
no,
na, pero kakainin mo pa rin.
could be. Yeah, either way, you can go that way. But that's how they do their business. Versus
Okay,
the
yeah,
other
yeah.
teams na, okay, sige,
Mm,
hinog na yung puno ng mangga mo, pipitas na ako.
mm.
In return, bibigyan kita ng kare-kare from yesterday na baka pasira na. So, i-consume
Medyo
mo na
malamig
agad, di
pa.
ba?
Yung di mo na kayo
Medyo
na
malamig.
mag-microwave niya na.
Tapos yung bagoong kulang-kulang na. That's how other teams do it. And I may be a fan of some of those teams. But that's the thing that I respect about Magnolia. And
Uh,
this move right here puts them in a very good spot for the next 5 years. This is changing of the guards already kasi
minimum
pawala na
five,
sila
to be honest. For
Baroka.
me, minimum
Oh,
five.
pawala na sila
Yeah.
Baroka, pawala na sila Polly. I mean, Polly nawawala-wala na nga eh, di ba? But what I can say is this is a move that what Snowbad was said is sila yung pinili ng SMC to stop the Grand Slam hopes of TNT, which I think it should be San Miguel and Ginebra. But the three SMC teams, the three horsemen ng SMC franchise, they're back, bro. They're all good right now.
Yeah, di ba sinasabi nga natin na they are the dark horse, pero with this kind of core, are they still the dark horse? Maybe they just nahuli lang sila sa pecking order, but this core is great. I mean, Lastimosa, you got yun nga, Lucero, do you call this William Navarro nakakapasok lang. Si Ian Sanga lang ba? Do you think should be on the way out, Mario? Are we gonna try and trade Ian Sanga lang while there's still value? Are you guys in favor of trading Ian Sanga lang?
For me, you
Because I
still
still
need
believe to still keep him eh. Ayoko pa siya i-trade.
For who?
For me, you still need veterans. For me, you still need
Okay.
veterans. Kahit sabihin mo, kailangan mo ng veteran. Pero yung veteran na yun, kailangan yung medyo kaya pa talaga maglaro. Yung literal na kung kailangan mo ng minuto, maayos yung ibibigay niyang minuto. Let's be real. There are some teams right now in the league who are holding some veterans who maybe shouldn't even be playing anymore, right? So yes, I think but for me, if you're Magnolia, you have to kind of narrow it down kung sinong veterans na lang yung ititira, yung ititira mo. You have too many na eh, if you ask me ah. You have too
Medyo
many
dumadami
veterans
na.
na these spots or these minutes could be given to somebody else. You have Barox, you have
Polly.
Kian, you have Rafi, and you have Paul Lee. You gotta start narrowing that down a little because the talent pool is getting deeper. Like we said, you had Jerome, you had
Mario, dagdag
Jerome,
ko
you
rin to like to interrupt you. Jerick Ahan Macy bigla na lang ulit nawawala eh.
Eric,
No? Like, after
exactly,
playing so well. But I think it's because of the roster na so, by the way, it's
exactly.
deep. Hindi lang talaga siya, like,
No, no, no.
how do I play him?
I think
No,
it's
it
also
runs in the blood.
uy, uy, uy.
Okay. Okay, Mario.
Ano ba?
Ba? Final destination, Bloodlines.
Tama na. Hindi, pero tama. Janik Ahamnisi was the best 4-point shooter when the line came out,
Last
diba?
conference, he was playing well, di ba? Parang he was
Meron ka
being
pang,
played
Yes, he
15,
was.
20 minutes, yeah.
meron ka pang Peter Alfaro who's been giving decent minutes.
Binibigyan siya
Meron ka
ni coach,
pang,
no? Galing
meron
eh.
ka pang genuinely, if you ask me, meron ka pang Russell Escoto na medyo maayos-ayos pa eh. Like,
Pero sa
the
backup, more of a best backup league si
Bro,
Russell.
if you ask me, Russell Escoto deserves minutes on some team somewhere. Because that guy's jump shot from the mid-range is sexy as hell. But anyway, that's beside the point. But then like, masyado marami na if you ask me yung veterans sa team. People will always say you can't have enough veterans. But at some point, you kind of need to if it's either pick one side, go into the youth movement or stick with your vets. Kasi if you do both, medyo makihinder talaga yung development ng ibang young guys mo. But for me, the one that they need to keep is probably Ian Sang na lang. Ian and I would prefer, I think, better if they keep Mark Baroka instead of
Polly?
Paul. Pero that could go either way. Pero between Rafi Rivas and Ian Sang na lang, for me, dyan ka na kay Ian, man.
Same, parang napakadali namang decision rin na yun. Hindi ako, Rafi Rivas has really extended his welcome na in the
And you can
PBA.
delegate him to an assistant coach
Yeah,
role, 'di
true.
ba? Si Rafi
Yeah.
Reeves. Like, bro, si Hugnatan nga, 'di ba? I
Yeah.
think Rafi Reeves na una pa kay Hugnatan and he's still nasa roster, 'di ba? Passive income na yan for Rafi Reeves. Eh. Leave the spot to someone else. And ang dami kasi nilang veterano, but I cannot see them being traded. Kasi for who? Parang nauubos na rin naman unless yung
Or
sinasabi
Hoka.
online is they're
Wala
also
masyadong
making a
talented
move.
big men talaga ngayon sa ano, no? Sa PBA.
Yes,
Walang hirap
unless
talaga eh. Kung ako
unless
talaga,
yung
laruin na
sinasabi
lang si James
is
Laput. Let's give this guy 15 minutes. Sagarin na rin natin.
siya na lang kasi yung
Siguro to give
option, di
5
ba?
fouls on Junmar.
Dude, just use James. Dude, for me, James Laput's a good basketball player.
Ay,
Everybody.
same. Nandun tayo sa same play na hindi ko alam bakit di siya nilalaro.
Yung kamay,
I
minsan
mean,
kasi yung kamay ni James Laput parang may langis na nakalagay eh. Pero like, aside from those moments, okay naman siya. Pero Graham, you can continue your point, sorry.
No,
yeah, go
hindi.
Graham.
I was about to say na for who? Kanina nila itatrade yung mga veterano nila unless what they're saying is true na they're also gunning for Arvin Tolentino. So
Oh
you
my
have
gosh.
Lucero, you have Navarro, and then you have Tolentino.
North Point
Uh,
Magnolia hot shots.
Oo,
The
di ba?
North Court,
So,
lumipat yung core mo. Si Munzon na lang.
or,
Put that guy
or,
to Ginebra. Bring that guy there.
or I think si Tuffin of Phoenix is being
Oh.
wasted dun sa Field Masters. They had a run a
Who are you
couple
gonna
of
trade for Toffin
conferences ago.
for? Who are you gonna trade Toffin for? I don't think they're gonna accept a Paulie, an aging Paulie. That's an independent team. The trades there will not be as
They're past the stage when they were kind of the team na pinagkukuhaan din ng talent.
wait, do you guys think na Phoenix is medyo off topic pero PBA pa rin naman. Do you guys think Phoenix is limited by their coach? By Coach Jamaic? Is it time for Phoenix? They've been
Ang Phoenix,
underperforming.
ang Phoenix ay
Oh.
Since
limited by the PBA.
Ano, no, 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 no.
Ang Phoenix ay limited by the PBA. Sa tingin ko.
yeah,
Uh,
they've had a
But they
couple
have
of
pieces
conferences
though.
when they had potentials. But the last time was in when Magnolia made the finals, 'di ba sila yung nakalaban ng Magnolia sa
Oh
semis.
yeah, it's been
Belly
a
Boat
while.
Right,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Belly
yeah,
Boat
yeah.
Right conference.
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
plus the conference they had Jonathan Williams and that's a
Yeah, actually. Ako si
Yun,
Jonathan
and
yun.
Williams
Yung
eh.
then they
important yun.
haven't had
Oo.
Laker legend yun. Uy,
like
Jonathan
imagine
Williams. Di
when
ba
when the
nag-Lakers
chips
yun?
were down. Oh, Lakers yun. Idol ko yun. May rookie card ako yun. But like for me, in terms of yung sa Phoenix, just the tangent it, and then we'll
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back to
yeah, yeah.
Magnolia.
Oo.
Phoenix has the pieces, if you ask me. You, Tyler Tio, Kai Balungay, Jason Perkins, Richie Rivero, and a Ken Toffin lineup. You're telling me that's a bad lineup? I don't think so. I think there are certain pieces lacking. They have no offense, JJ Alejandro, but my gosh, you're not a point guard. That's the
Ginagawa siyang
one.
point guard, no? Di ka parang
Tutor
pinapahalo
si
sa kanyang
JJ,
ball.
bro.
But he's not a
He's
point
never
guard.
been a point guard. He's never been a
Yeah.
point guard kahit sa NU.
Never been a point guard. He's not supposed to pass the
Two,
ball.
two
He's
guard
meant
yun.
to shoot the ball. Yun. Dapat si Kian Baklaan yun. Pero like in the future na yun. Tapos sa center spot, uh, not to be that guy, but Two Daves, my guy, I love you just because you were from Ateneo. But again, these aren't the big men of now. There's no up and coming big man. If you ask me, ha, walang
Wala masyado
real
talaga. Ay, we have Brandon
Justin
Ramirez, my
Arana
guy.
lang.
We have Brandon Ramirez, our
Oh,
guy.
I love Brandon. Well, like, hey man. But for me, it's Justin Arana and Justin Baltazar. Those are the only real two big men in the league who are young enough to be considered stars in the future. Yung Japet, matanda na yan, di ba? Tapos si Junmar not getting any younger. You have Raymond Almazan not
Si
getting
Christian
any
David has been shaky. No, di mo naman maintindihan. Christian David is
younger.
gonna give you 31 game. He's gonna give you 0 the next game. This is the Christian David experience.
But yeah, but like for me sa Phoenix,
Oh.
uh, first of all, limited by the fact na independent teams at the end of the day, guys, money talks. Reality
Mm.
na talaga yun, di ba? And second, there probably is some sort of coaching issue. But the thing is, the roster is so young. Like, the roster is very, very young. I wouldn't be surprised if at some point something just clicks for that team.
Uh,
Um,
go get him.
no, real quick, balik tayo sa Magnolia.
Yeah.
And then we can transfer to Northport if we want to talk about them.
Ah,
One
maybe
one
2 minutes.
name, one name, three words. Gregory Williams Slaughter.
Oh,
Oh,
ano yun? So, may mga rumors talaga
I
na
don't know.
he
I mean
doesn't,
that's a logical move, but I don't know if napatawad na ba siya ng dapat magpatawad sa kanya, 'di ba? The way he exited the PBA, but
imagine if he goes to, no, Magnolia. Wait, sino ba yung may hawak ng rights niya? May ganun pa ba? May hawak pa ba ng rights niya?
Northport, di
Northport,
ba?
'di ba?
That's the last team
Bibigyan.
he played for.
Bibigyan Northport yan,
Madali
bro.
ibigay yan if,
Oo.
but there's a tweet, di ba, na parang hell no ata yung sinabi niya when talking about going
Yeah,
back to
yeah.
the
Nalala mo
PBA.
yun, Mario? Hell nah.
Plus he's
Yeah,
getting
so,
paid. He's getting paid the same amount to play in the MPBL pa ba yun?
Is he still in the
Or,
MPBL? Parang wala na, 'di ba?
parang wala
Or
rin eh, di ba?
wala
Kasi
nang
mataas
wala
din,
na. Di siya
mataas din
mabayaran ng
masyado
Manila Stars. I think
inihiliga.
Manila Stars wala na rin natin masyado.
I just saw him play sa ligang labas. So I don't know.
Oh, okay, wala yan sa MP kung ganun. Taka na
Yeah,
ligang
Yeah, no,
labas, bro.
nagligang labas.
that's low for Greg. That
Wait, kung
he does
babayaran
not
ako
need
ng
to play.
300K, sige ko, sige, ano yan? Sige.
Oh yeah,
Sino
for
ba kakampi
sure.
ko? Sino ba makakampi ko? Give me the
Guys,
ball.
The Greg Slaughter issue is just a lot of pride coming into the mix, if you ask me. Masyadong Greg Slaughter believes he's at the level of Junmar Fajardo, and there were
No,
times,
you're not.
okay, ibigay natin na there were times na they could have been compared, pero
Could
malayo.
have been. Yeah, yeah, there were times naman. Hindi naman de-deny na it crossed our minds na, okay, yeah, yeah, okay, fine.
7 foot, ano eh.
10 years
Like,
ago though,
yeah, but then like times
when I
have
was
changed.
20.
Gagi 30 ka na pala. Nakalimutan ko
Oh,
tuloy.
bro. Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, going back to what Graham said, I, this is actually something to do with Magnolia, but I saw this recently and I want to know if it's true. What is
Ano?
this Mikey Williams
Yeah,
to
let's end it there. I was gonna move there now. Are you gonna trade Justin Arana for Mikey Williams?
Uy,
Considering how scarce the big man position is right now.
Yes,
And maybe put Balti at the 5 now that you're gonna do that. 'Di ba? Parang okay, wala na Justin. Do we put Balti at the 5?
yes.
uh,
The
Would you guys do that?
formula,
You guys would do that if you're
I
Converge.
will.
Converge
I
management tayo.
I will. The
Ano?
formula
Trade
in
na.
winning basketball is you either have two great wings or you have a big man who's very capable and a scoring guard. And that's what Mikey Williams is. And then wala nang kaagos Balti down low, di ba? And then you can get a scoring import
I'm
pagdating ng
checking the
usage.
Converge roster now.
So
Converge.
it
Okay.
to me go with Mikey. He's
Alex
worth it.
Stockton and Mikey Williams. Oh, what a backcourt. Mikey and
may
Oh, di
heading ka
Stockton.
pa
ba?
dyan.
Hindi, no, heading, heading is not.
May Winston
Let's
ka pa,
let's
di ba?
forget about heading, bro. He's not gonna come.
Heading's probably on his way out.
I don't think he's gonna.
Did he just get here?
I don't think he's gonna play for. So, again, guys, guess ko lang to. Opinion ko lang to. I feel like heading is
He's heading out.
if is heading out.
Am I so out of the loop that I did not know this was
It's
what
okay. Kakatapos siya ng school mo. Kaming
yeah,
mga
that's
matatanda naman nakatuto.
hey man. I didn't know I thought he was injured. Not gonna lie, I thought he was injured.
Oh
But like
yeah, he was injured.
Oh
yeah.
yeah, he was injured.
He's injured.
Oh
Arvin
shit.
Tolentino is
Mas
injured.
masakit yung
I
finger.
think he's
Ako rin,
injured. I know that.
na-sprain ko yung thumb ko eh. Injured ako.
Arvin
Like
Tolentino is injured too.
okay, if that's the case, if now that I have now gained this information that
Oh.
Jordan
But
Heading is
Shawnee Winston is still there. You got
you still have
Shawnee,
Shani.
Mikey.
Ako personally, baka hindi ko ibibig. Baka di ako papayag, man.
You just stick with Arana. You stick with
Kasi
Justin
naman,
Arana.
ano ba kulang ang kulang naman ng TNT yung big man eh. Why are you willingly giving them a big man for somebody who hasn't been playing in years? For me, just out of pure, not man, spite, but out of pure competition, di mo ibibigay sa TNT yung big man, man. I understand na if you're Converge, na Mikey is a good piece. But to be fair, guys, I do genuinely think that Alex Stockton, Winston, Arana, and Baltazar is a pretty deep lineup. I think they're kulang a small forward na lang, pero I don't really think they need.
Actually, they lack a small forward. They have a lot of guards and
Okay.
tweeners na sa four. Mga Kevin Racal, Brian Santos. Pero okay.
Ito
Sa
yung
si
sinabi
Brian
ko
Santos, hindi mo siya nalalaro.
ito yung sinabi ko kay Nico. Let me know if you agree, Graham.
Ano?
Every team in the league right now can benefit from a Javi Gomez de Leano.
You mean Hinebra?
Every
Who
team, every
traded
team,
him
every
for
team.
Jeremiah Gray?
For Jeremiah, take it back.
Jeremiah Green.
Trade tayo ulit. I truly believe every team benefits from Javi Gomez de Leano right now.
Bolic impact levels, you would think, Graham Mario, about having a heavy GDL in the PBA.
Oh,
You
yun
think
ang
that's a
Oh yeah,
big
for sure.
like you can build around like Bolic lives and like Seba. So with heavy GDL, can you do that to your team?
Javi, hindi Juan, ha? Javi.
Oh, sorry. Are we talking about Javi or Juan?
I said Javi, I said
Javi.
Javi.
Oh, sorry. The Javi's not good. Yeah, Javi's a great PBA role star player. If that's the right way to, parang the tamang way, role star player na role player. basta galing niya. Corner shooter siya sa Terra Firma. He gives you easy 15 to 16 points a game with 7 rebounds, diba? That's what
Nice move lang.
Javi, consistent basis. That's why we love the Terra Firma team. Kung meron Terra Firma shirt nga nung year na yun, binili natin yun eh.
Barangay.
Yes!
Favorite na.
Parang,
Wala masasabi si Graham dyan. Wala masasabi si Graham
No,
dyan.
no.
wala. That was a great Terra
Um,
Firma team. We would root for that Terra Firma team. We love Terra Firma with that Isaac Go,
Uh,
Chongson core,
Everything.
four-man core. My goodness, ang ganda ng team na yun.
and then two conferences later, they're broken. The last thing about Mikey Williams that I want to
Yes,
talk
Mikey.
about is in 1984. Remember, the Trailblazers had the chance to draft Michael Jordan. Pinili nila
Oh.
si Sam Bowie, who was a big guy.
Mm.
Converge may not have another Mikey Williams coming, so you better capitalize on this opportunity while it's still hot,
So,
because
okay.
the stars are not coming to the PBA, and Mikey is the best out there that you can get. I don't care if I'm gonna give up Arana. Nandyan kasi Balti. Kung wala si Balti, it's a difficult decision to make. But nandiyan si Balti, get Mikey, go all in, beat the teams that are always winning, and make her work.
So split kayong
Yeah,
dalawa, no? Mario is not in favor. Graham is in favor. Ako
comment lang
not
ako,
in
Graham.
favor. Ako not in favor. I want Shawnee Winston to. Gusto ko ako naman gusto ko mag-ano yung mga young guards nila. But that's just me. Pero kung mangyari
I
din,
like them too.
I don't.
I like them too. But
Pero ikaw more of it's a home run swing. Parang you're gonna go for it all.
it's,
Parang sige,
oh,
tayo na natin, bahala na.
di ba? When
Okay.
there aren't
Graham,
there aren't many opportunities that will come knocking at your door like
Oh,
a Mikey
Mario.
Williams.
Graham, ito naman ako. Which overseas player right now, sa tingin mo, need na umuwi? Bro, tama na yan. Go to the PBA, let's dominate in the PBA. Sino yun?
Si Dwight.
You think it's Dwight?
Si Dwight.
That
Not
guy's
only will
gotta go
he
home.
not only will he be a contributor right away, he's
Uh,
gonna bring in fans
that's true.
For
to the
sure. For sure.
venues.
Oh, we know that.
Di
Yeah,
ba?
for sure.
So it has to be him. RJ's already gone home. So sunod ka na.
Mm.
Like,
What do you think
May,
about
may,
Juan?
yeah,
who?
Juan GDL. Juan GDL. What do you think about his star potential? Do you think Bolic level siya in terms of you can build a team around him and yung offense siya yung first option mo, Juan GDL, in the PBA?
No. No. It's not enough kasi symbolic is not enough for NLEX pa for now, di ba? So if you want to win right now, it's not gonna be one GDL, because I think Bolick is a better player than one GDL, di ba?
At this point,
But
yeah. I mean,
yeah,
yes,
but
at this
but
point.
he still can't lift NLEX. Now it can be because of his teammates then, but at the end
It
of the
is the
day, the PBA has always been about the big men,
Yeah.
and it has to be he has to be paired with a serviceable big man. But pupunta siya sa San Miguel, then go, di ba? But if not, then no.
Let's reorient back to the topic. Let's talk
Oh,
about
let's go back to Magnolia. Guys, let's end it para masaya,
Who
no?
who, who won
Manila
the trade?
Classico. Wait, wait,
who
wait,
won the
wait.
trade.
Uy,
Oh, puti.
oo pala.
Come on,
Ito na lang,
man.
itong question na lang.
Come on, man.
7-game series, Manila Classico, Hinebra, Magnolia. Guys, remove nyo yung bias, no? Pound per pound, player per player.
Bias.
Where do we see this going? This is easily 7 games, right? Or Magnolia
Eh,
in 6,
uy,
Magnolia
by
in
the way,
5.
By the way,
Ano?
Manila Classic sa Sunday.
That was
Doon tayo,
great.
diba?
Wow, that's
This is
crazy. Gusto nyo manood?
Dumating yung
Let's
tatlo.
go.
Gusto nyo manood?
Let's go.
Hanap
But
tayo ng ticket.
ako mauna na ako. I think I'll still give Hinebra the advantage. And
In
this
how
is
many
not the
games? In how many
seven,
games?
of course, seven.
In 7.
Seven yan.
Okay. Let's
Seven yan.
respect Mario. Respect yan para kay Graham. 7 games.
I know this is
Hinebra.
not respect. You know why is it seven? Um, but I still think they're the better team overall. The only thing I'm worried about is the center matchup, yung Sanggalang and Japet, because Sanggalang has the tendency of eating Japet alive. But other than that, I'm really really confident that Barangay Nebra will still win in 7. Babash na naman tayo dito. Oh, Ginebra kasi.
Ah,
Syempre. But if you really think about it, alisin niyo yung galit niyo sa Ginebra sa puso niyo. Ginebra is still the favorite team. But this
may
is
preacher
closer
tayo. Ano
now.
sa yung galit sa puso nyo?
This is
Makinig kayo sa
closer
akin.
now. Oo. If this was yesterday, I'll pick Ginebra in 5 kasi talagang walang direction yung Magnolia. But now, no, this is really close. And I'm afraid right now. I'm afraid that
Hmm,
Magnolia
that's there's
may
fear.
win the title.
Mario,
Bro,
ikaw.
yeah, he's not wrong kasi dati, all due respect to Calvin, at some point, alam ni Coach Tim yan, iwan natin yan sa labas, man. He'll make a mistake.
Iwan nyo yan sa loob na tayo lahat.
Alam mo yung like, not to compare him, pero like, alam mo yung mga Russell Westbrook vibes na at some point, man,
He's just gonna
magkamali.
miss.
Tapos, kamali yan, man, tatapon niya sa labas, susuntukin niya yung teammate niya. Ano mga ganun, yung, may ganyan kang thought process sometimes. And now that changes when you have William Navarro, who is a much better shooter, much calmer player, and understands his role completely well. Calvin is better in certain things. That's not, don't get me wrong. Before I like, I'll try to talk about yung like who, how it benefits Northport din naman kasi let's try to see why Northport made this trade, 'di ba? Di naman tayo, tayo kupal. Pero like, for me, this still goes Ginebra's way merely because of the fact that I believe Scotty is better than Jerome. I believe Jamie, and I think James better than Jamie, but I believe
Mm.
Jamie has to do less than Zave Lucero. I believe Japet Aguilar, when his brain is in the right spot, is better. Um, is a top two, top three center in the league. You now have Troy Rosario, who should somehow, some way match Zave or William Navarro,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
still have the bench mob that is RJ Barrientos. You still have Mava Hamnisi. I still would go lean towards Ginebra, but I'm gonna maybe get some flack for this, but
Mm.
I don't fully see this Ginebra super team image anymore. For me,
They're vulnerable. They are
I don't
vulnerable.
I don't see it as much as before. I understand it. Yung C-stand plus ay, gagi naiwan ko si Stephen Holt. Sorry, Stephen.
Oh,
Stephen
Stephen
Holt.
Holt pa rin.
Stephen Holt.
Si Stan the
Sorry,
man.
naiwan ko si Stephen Holt.
Si
Huh?
Stan.
Si Stan and si Stanley
Yeah,
Pringles.
yeah. So then, yeah. But then like I don't see it as much right now because Ginebra will always have this weird aggressive player problem. And this is for me why they haven't won a championship in the last Graham Kellen last championship nila. Like,
2023 against the Bay Area Dragons in the
Wow, it's been
bro,
two
Philippine
years.
Arena.
Wow, it's
been a
been two
while,
Yes.
right?
years. Oh,
And
wild.
then
Okay, ah.
this whole thought process of Ginebra is a super team, I don't fully see it as much as people think. Because
Mm.
as of
Gets
right
naman.
now, wala silang with the number of stars on their team, all of them are just waiting for the ball in the corner or in the spot, and then they'll make the shot. They will make the shot. But who is gonna put them in that position? Scotty has an aggressiveness problem. Jamie sometimes also. So does Stephen. Japet especially also has an aggressiveness problem. So
There's a lot
it's
of
not
problems.
so like it's not
It's just a lot of prop.
it's not a easy matchup for Ginebra now that William Navarro is there, huh? Because
Uh,
full credit to Magnolia right now. I do think they're a smarter team build wise. I think their
build
players
wise,
are
yeah.
much smarter in terms of the game. Ginebra may be more talented, but then in terms of smarts in the game, baka lamang ang Magnolia dun.
Yeah. Real quick before we go, what
Yeah.
do you think about Calvin? Is this his last stop or he's gonna move somewhere else?
I feel like
Because
it's
that
his last stop for me.
really,
I think this is the end of the road for Calvin Abueva.
really
For me,
in
ah.
the PB in this
In the
trade
in the
specifically
PBA.
or
Yeah.
in the
In
I
the
PBA?
think he's
PBA.
going to the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
So din tama nga. It's in the
Okay,
it's the
well,
end of the road for the PBA. Pero basketball career, I think he has 5 more years with MPBL.
Yeah.
okay. Because I think a team can use a Calvin like a rain or shine siguro. Yeah.
Oh,
Just imagine Calvin
my,
with Coach Ying.
oh my
Uh,
gosh.
the over under for technical fouls is siguro 2.5
Exactly.
per game.
So over under technical fouls ka na gano'n, yun, tumaya.
Man.
2.5.
But
Easy 3.
let's just pass by it before we let go.
Yeah.
Northport probably made this trade because um
What did they get?
they got a pick. They got the pick. Um they got a pick. They
Second
got
round
Eric
pick? A
Balanta.
second round pick?
I mean, I, this is why, di ba kanina sabi mo na hindi mo masyado feel na gut punch siya. In my
Yeah,
mind, I
okay.
was like, I don't see any way Northport benefits from this trade, man. Like not even close to benefiting from this trade. Kasi we
Mhm.
all know Calvin is on his last legs. Although he's still a talented player, he's a bit on his last legs. Jerick Belanza hasn't touched the court in a year. And then the second round pick is gonna be who? Who's even declaring for this upcoming draft class?
I don't know.
Exactly. So like this is not it was a bit of a medyo mababastos ka for me kasi it wasn't that fair of a trade if you ask me. I don't see how they benefit at all. They lost William Navarro and they got nothing.
Yeah, I think we can all agree, no, tayong tatlo na it doesn't benefit Northport at all, no. So, not sure kung tutuloy nga nila yung sales sa franchise. I've been hearing rumors na they might sell the franchise or not, but it's a clear winner na Magnolia is the main clear winner of this trade. Anyway, guys, for those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating. On YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Nico here with Mario and Grem. We'll be back for more, especially as the PBA heats up and then the NBA
On Sunday.
playoffs. We'll get to have. Oh yeah, may Manila Clasico. Maybe we'll do a post Manila Clasico.
Or live.
Let's
Oh,
Why not
then,
live?
right
live.
after the game, nasa Starbucks kami
Oo,
magre-record.
di ba?
Kayong dalawa
Sabi
ni
mo
Grem
naman.
magkasama. Wala.
Ay, wala ka ba Sunday?
Let's see. Tingnan natin kung makano. Tingnan natin kung makahanap ako ng ticket. Pero basta record tayo. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah,
Mga
that
first
would be fun.
observations with Navarro with
Yeah.
Magnolia up against Sinebro. Let's see, no? Anyway,
Yep.
guys,
Yeah.
comment lang kayo what you guys think about the trade. And we'll see you all next time. Peace.
Adios, amigos.